ABC Educational Channel. Today our lesson is about likes and dislike.
Do you like cheese?
Yes, I do. I like cheese.
Do you like broccoli?
No, I don't like broccoli.
Do you like drinking milk?
Yes, I do. I like drinking milk.
Do you like swimming in the sea?
No, I don't like.
Do you like playing football?
Yes, I do. I like playing football.
Do you like going on a roller coaster?
Yes, I do.
Do you like eating frog?
No, I don't like.
Do you like salad?
Yes, I do. I like salad.
Do you like eating carrots?
No, I don't.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I do. I like watching TV.
Do you like noodles?
Yes, I do.
Do you like eating pizza?
No, I don't.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I do. I like reading books.
Do you like playing basketball?
No, I don't. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.